How to redeem Domino's free pizza. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Domino's free pizza. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Domino's is now offering a free pizza for anyone making a qualifying order online with a Domino's Rewards account. All that you have to do is sign in to your account, order a pizza, and wait for your free pizza code to be delivered to you. Keep in mind that this offer requires a separate purchase. You earn a free emergency pizza to use later when you make a qualifying purchase. Customers can earn up to 2 emergency pizzas, which must be redeemed within 30 days of earning the points. So, this is how you can redeem free Domino's pizza. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.